Okay. Let's go for the day. Put that over there. And of course, now I notice my glasses are dirty. Perfect. Let's just wait for some people to arrive. Okay, mister. Let me visualize the light of my life. Let me visualize the light of my life. Himehina is so good. Quickly turned on the other heater. And let's go. Actually, I think do that so I have everything not shown as changes. Yep. Okay. Let's see. Oh, not that. No, Python game.py. There we go. Oh. Interesting. Math 8 371. Then I'm just going to. There should be no problem calculating in them in there, right? Because this is still called every frame, so it shouldn't cause issues, right? Let's see. Nope, everything seems fine. Perfect. Okay, and that's just the errors with bullets disappearing. But yeah, right, okay. Then let's work on the parameters before I get into the money. Let's work on making the parameters be able to go higher. So here that would be what the fuck? Anyway, so it would be a fire rate. Figure that out. Oh well. I would say I do have a solution for that. Where did I write it on? Oh, yeah, that was... I did not see that. I did not... I didn't... Oh, right, okay. And then I'm also going to change all of those then. It's so funny just hitting multiple lines at once. Okay, where did I write that down is the question. Not in the game, probably. Right, oh. Game loop, no, wrong, UI button pressed, shop is enabled. Right, it was here. And look at how other games sounded, like for curve, actually, for the question, just a trick where exists amount of upgrades, x-axis. Oh, just that gets up to a certain point. Just need to tune it correctly, yes. How does a quadratic equation look like again? Quadratische Funktion. Y equals x squared. The function of x is x squared. In which case an x is given and a y is calculated, but I need a y given and an x is calculated. Let's see, can I do that? I need a quadratic equation rotated by 90 degrees clockwise. Oh fuck. Here 0 is the angle rotation, which is 90 degree clockwise. In this case we substitute what? There we go. We get this equation. This is the equation of the same parabola for the observed in here. Does it load the website? Oh, that website is not loading apparently. There are others where it's wait, then it's y plus x in parentheses squared equal minus x. How do I then get how do I solve this with a given x? X squared minus 4x minus Hä? What happened to y? Let me just do it in my head. So let's say x is 1, so it's minus 1 and that, so y squared plus 1 equal minus 1. This doesn't make sense. So for this is already breaking for 1. What the hell? This is already breaking for 1. Okay, let me see. I have y equal x squared 2. I have X-ray vision. What the fuck? I have a function. Given y value, for example 5, how do I get the x value? Okay, the root of y is x. I want to. There we go. So the root of y is x. That means fire rate is. The thing is, fire rate is done like this with this timer. Anytime I serve, right? So -1 frame rate, confidence. The -1 is the frame rate is so that the first shot starts instantly after 1 frame of game. Is that so? Wait. I know it only gets initialized as that, it doesn't Nope. Epsilon. There we go, and press T, it doesn't look any different, but it should be different, so... Okay, anyway. Let's ignore that for now. Wait, when we restart, attack instantly goes. But when I now do... Okay, attack doesn't instantly go. Good. I just want to check that. So let me think about this right now again. Every 0.3 seconds it shoots. Why is it loading? Every 0.3 seconds it shoots. My brain cannot comprehend it right now. My brain is unable to comprehend it right now. Why? Why is my brain being like this right now? I can't focus at all right now. Why? Boah, ey, sag mal jetzt, was mache ich jetzt? The bullet timer is fire rate. This means that fire rate can never be under 0.3 then, because it starts like this. If I say 0.5, it can never be under 0.5. So I know, Desmos, that's what it's called, right? Desmos. Yeah. Graphing calculator. Okay, we have how do I write this here? I've never used this. Fx equal x squared. There we go. The thing is, I cannot go over a certain value here. That means if I do a half no times okay, that's how I do it. Okay, how can I limit a quadratic equation to maximum x value? For example, 20 quadratic iteration. Let's just say y equal x squared. Because I don't know how to do this right now. It's been too long to learn. It's consistent domain and range. The domain. So, wait. Does this work? You know, that would be weird, right? Yeah, no, this doesn't work. Create table. I've never used this thing, so I'm totally unsure what the hell I'm doing. Note expression. But I would have to do it like times 20 or something to get what I would want. No, 0.5 is 5. Oh, that's what the table is good for. Wait. What does this mean? X1 is 0.5. No, huh? How can I create a table with... Like earlier there was a table that for some reason had values in it. 0, 0 and X 0.5 and then 2. I don't know. Yeah, this gives points, but... Upsala. Or does it need like... Type 80. Okay, then let's just do this. Is this an AI made for specific? This one here. Phind is Phind basically uses ChatGPT, but it has some more stuff on top, which makes it so that it's easier to use for coding. For example, it can like also see sources. It accesses the internet. You can ask it directly about things, or you could what I recently added is, let me just start a new thread. Provide custom links. So that you can search specifically on a certain site. For example, so that you can say, okay, look at the documentation for this and tell me how I can do this certain thing. That's what you can do. So, hi Arn. Hello. So if I start with 0.5, would then need to be 5.1, I think, so that doesn't just go to 0. And then let's say if self.fireRate not under equal 0.01, then syntax okay, then over 0.01, then so nice. I've never tried AI before. Yeah, it's how I learned this like whole thing, so it's nice to use, but it has its like quirks. So Sapphire Red would be my X. Then I need to then I need to then in the shop. Okay, in the shop there is going to be the find. Oh, would I do that in the shop or not? Or would I do that here? Surf.fireRate upgrades equal 0. So so I can just say if fire rate upgrades are fire rate upgrades are under 20. Rain. Like this. Okay. Then it would be y equal x squared, but let me comment this. Y equal x squared, so and x is fire rate reduction, y is amount of upgrades. So this would mean surf dot fire rate upgrades plus equal 1. And then it does math dot square root of surf dot fire rate upgrades and that's surf dot fire rate minus equal square root of fire rate upgrades. Okay, and then I also need to put out fire rate upgrades somewhere. So oh god, I need to do more UI. So I would have to add some kind of label between these two. So that would be a rect underscore label. No, that's weapon 2. Weapon 1. So rect underscore label underscore weapon 1. No, that's Direct underscore label underscore weapon 1 underscore fire rate equal pi dot rect minus 250 minus 150 hey, do this. So it's proper spacing. Let's say 150. No, it would be 40 for that. Let me just copy this label weapon 1 fire rate HTML text would be set to +0 at first. And the rest is fire rate, yes. And the rest is fine like this, so then we would have the definition for update. That here is written as self, yes, no, it's not. Self dot label 1. Or how am I doing it? I have to look here again. Draw debug. Set text, and then I need to do all of that. Okay. Self dot label dot set. Wait, what? Wasn't it set text? Self dot label dot set text. Yeah. Plus space and game dot fire rate upgrades. And it has to be called graphics being drawn. Here, f.shop.update. For some reason, it's not giving me the code completion stuff. Like, it should give me like this. Why does it take so long? That's so weird right now. Shop object does not attribute label W. If Yeah, that is wrong. Because now I just have a stream of bullets. Right, I needed to still be wait, I fucked up again. I also get to turn this off. Times 80. So times 80. Which would mean, how is it then the other way around? Y divided by 80 square root of y divided by 80 equal x. That means square root of Sapphire upgrades divided by 80. Okay. Then let's try this again. Fire it is there and no, it does not work how I intended. What? So these buttons are nice, but you know it's... This is not how I intended it to be. So fire rate upgrades is under 20. It sets that to +1 and... So it should be... The thing is, if I already had that there, if you button... There. Indentation is a bit weird, but whatever. There we go for that. I guess it's so dark today. Quite cloudy and stuff. Wait, it's... Is that how I should do it? Let me switch to this weapon. Wait, no, restart. Okay, no, that's fine. But this means that this one doesn't do anything. Wait. Wait, only when this... Only when this window gets focused, it... What? Okay, That means I need to focus that window. Self.shop. Your window shop is focused equal true. Okay, let me that real quick. No. I'm a bit confused. Why isn't it working? Yeah, I'm kind of in territory now where it's like, fuck, I can't figure it out. Alright, if a UI button is pressed, that means nah, that's... Okay, if a UI button is pressed... If self dot menu, if not self dot menu. That way. Shop drawer, self dot menu set true. Shop drawer and then this, right? So let's try it again. Let's have this weapon. Let's open the shop. Let's buy some fire rate. Okay, that is weird. Let me put it at the right position first. It's currently bugging me that it's not correct. I can ignore the plus 19. So I'm just gonna make it so that it's maximum plus 19. Whatever. I'm gonna take a short break to see if I can reset my brain. Oh, let me just check Twitter real quick. Oy. Okay, let's see. Brain successfully reset. Maybe I should drink something, you know? Okay. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna say this is fine now. I would just need to, or maybe make more upgrade steps. It's making more upgrade steps would mean how would I do that? Making more upgrade steps. How would I? Let me see Desmos again. Okay, so I could do 160 or like, divided by 160. And then I could go probably up to like 39, right? Yeah, the first 3 upgrades do quite a lot, and then at the end it's just like sluggish, kind of. Okay, wait, now does it now actually go to 40? Wait. Let me restart. What? The first time I click the button, it does nothing? What? The first time I click the button, it does nothing. Why? It does a reduction, but what the hell? Also, where did I write that? No, it's here. Column.2f. The first time I click it. Wait, no, not here. No, then let me try another way of also approaching it. Okay, the thing is, this menu is oh. And also the shop.update only gets called when a button is pressed. But now it already needs to like on Oh no, it's always behind. That's why. So yeah, I need to go back here. Upsala. And yeah, that's why. No, it, just copy the whole line. Put that in, indent that, and right. So that's why. Yeah, now it just works. Okay, yeah, so that was my mistake there. Oh. It's the mistake of why I updated the UI, because I only always updated it when I pressed something. And the first update came, right? So I always had it updated before anything happened. So I would have to put it after everything happened, which I could do. Then a serve.shop. Update. And if I now take this out again, yeah, no, this works totally fine now. And if I open it, okay, now. Oh, because I'm button pressed as so I would also have to serve.shop update here and key down T this, wait, why? Okay, I thought this was hidden just now. Let's have .shop update, and then let's switch this weapon. This works, and then it's always shown at the beginning. Nice. And then I can go up to. Okay, cool. Thing is, or for now I do weapon stats and then I maybe do overall stats. I think I need a better way to do this. I think I need a better way to have that manage menus, can you add more weapons, switches, make illustrations or something. Find a better solution for cooldown reduction. Guess the current way is not that good. But yeah. At least I have it implemented now, and need to check. You know, the bullets do hit. Wait, if I'm just gonna increase it even more. Let's also just turn up the fire rate. So yeah, I can we just go around it. So I would need something like a raycast. That's kind of, yeah, because like the bullets can just go around them. That is problematic. Bullets can be fast enough so that enemies don't get hit by them. Okay, this penetration still needs to be implemented. Size I think should be fine for now. But yeah, let's implement penetration. Why is constants open? Bullet, bullet, yeah. Dot, self dot health. There we go. Let's just set it to 1 for now. And so self dot health minus equal 1 if self dot health under equal 0, then self destroy. Pen and bullet well and self dot bullet pen. And also here self dot bullet pen. Then back up. Was it to say all of this is also in... Oh no, wait, because did I change that much? Okay, it just says the whole line is new, even though it's just those parts. Whatever. Then I would probably also For now I'm not gonna do that. Let's put just self-health at like 10 and see what happens. Also put it inside the debug. Weapon 1 debug. Wait, no, pen. Self-health is pen. So I would have to do it down here. So this, okay. And then yeah, penetration. But it can hit one bullet several times. It can hit them several times, which is not ideal. Because if I turn up the fire rate, yeah. How do you do that then? I have a Python Pygame and I have bullets that hit enemies. The bullets are able to penetrate enemies and hit other enemies behind the first. How can I make it so that each enemy is only hit once? The code gets called every frame. And the bullets and enemies are in lists. Let's see, and let's copy. Let's close the shop drawer for a moment. Okay, search. What the hell? To ensure that each enemy is only hit once, you can keep track of which enemies have hit by a bullet. I wanted to set an attribute. What the fuck? This is anyway. Another approach is promise to use separate data structure to track which enemies have been hit. You could. It's check. This would make it so that no other bullets can hit the enemies either. I want new bullets to be able to hit the enemies again. Just the same bullet shouldn't hit one single enemy more than once when it travels through it. At each enemy I hit once by a single bullet, you can trigger for generative hit by each bullet. One way to add a set to the bullet class, it's just the indices of the enemies that have been hit by the bullet. When a bullet collides with an enemy, you can check if the enemy has already been hit by the current bullet and skip flying damage if it has used an example of a vision based on. What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay, bullet, self dot hit enemies is equal set how many frames a bullet can live. Oh, it starts the lifetime and then it counts up, right? Lifetime starts at 0 frames and then counts upwards. Okay, so distance okay, check if enemy is up hit. Enemy take damage dot. What the fuck? No. Just this game dot bullet damage. Okay, then let's turn on the bullet speed to 10 so we can see better how they travel. The bullet classes new, don't it? Set initials. This out of hit with a current bullet. And it is not when hit the bullet place damage. Note that some sort of has been hit by the bullet can set hit damage from subsequent bullet if you the open lift. Can take damage across over you can see which results in what the fuck. Looks like the enemy. Das ist index which is causing to fix. You can add an index what index attribute? Das ist nicht leicht, wenn der enemy wird. Checkst ihn. What? Hä? find enemy node and self fit enemies. Okay, let's check here. Enemy raid. Self dot enemies max equal 1. Self dot enemies underscore max. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so if I self dot enemy underscore half equal 1. It's the 2 and then enemy raid is here, new enemy, self dot enemy underscore health, and then in the enemy class init self health, max health is health. I think it does just be health. Yeah. Okay. Okay, es works. Then I want to have penetration at, let's say 2. Wait, no, enemies max, let's say 20. 0.5. This is increased damage by 1. Okay. So if it penetrates something, I could also do hit bullet as health minus 1 and self dot size equal what would it be? Self dot size would then be it would be times equal times e. Self.size would, okay, what I wanna do is like with the health bar, but with this. So it would then need a self.size max equal also size. And then dry UI player current half, player max half times width. So max half is the current is self.health divided by self dot what, how many enemies the bullet can pass through, and self dot half underscore max self dot half underscore max times self dot size underscore max. Would that be it? Let's see. It has not retrieved health max equal pen. What the hell? That is not intended. Nope. Because it does that. Because it multiplies it. Okay, so if I increase the size and add some more penetration, it will gradually get smaller the more it hits. Okay, and let's quickly make enemy have like 5. Just for some sanity checks. I need to add some to-do list. Add debug options for shop so that you can buy more add-ons, like maybe when holding shift. Doesn't have to be debug, can also just always be on, just more money for debug. Yeah, but it seems to be working correctly. Where's the FPS? There's the FPS. Nice. Yeah. That seems to be working correctly, which is great. Could do the same with the color, to be honest. And this works very well. So that means, what did I do? Let me just... Oh, ey. Alter, ich hasse Windows-Suche. Das ist so nervig. Weapon 1 Shop Upgrades. Reworked fire rate upgrades still needs rework. Implemented penetration and size reduction. Yeah, too fast bullets can't hit enemies. Okay, then draw normal debug. Number of bullets, number of melees, enemies, yes, my favorite that. Okay. Then that can be closed, this can be closed. Enemies can be closed. Shop. Shop, draw and update. This one. Damage, and then here it would be size. Here it would be speed, and here it would be penetration. Fire rate is correct here. Damage. Then size. Speed. And no, pin. This fire rate is correct. Damage. Size. Speed. And lastly, pen. Okay, so and 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $150 and $250. Oh, and of course, yeah. Oh wait, this is yeah. Anyway, I think I'm gonna end it today. Maybe I didn't sleep enough, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna end it for now and gonna try and play some Honkai Star Rail later today. I actually have the game now fully downloaded. Yeah. I wanna play that game. Okay, see you, yeah, probably later today for some Honkai Star Rail. Okay, bye.